FiniteElement class defines software objects that look like finite elements. And in Python, when you have an object, the object has what's called an init method, which has this special name underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and that is the function which gets called to build a new one of these. So when you say finite element brackets and pass arguments, what actually gets called is this init method with those arguments. And so most of this is set up, except down here, where you have to work out what the basis functions are. And by the time you get to implement this, you've implemented van der Waals matrix, and actually that's not true. No, that's right. So here you will have implemented van der Waals matrix, which means that you can take in a set of nodes, which is the point set. You can build the van der Waals matrix by calling your van der Waals class on that set of nodes, and you can invert that matrix to get the coefficients. And as I told you earlier, funnily enough, yes, there is a function in Python which does inverse. So numpy linalg_inv gives you the matrix inverse, which is all you need here. For those of you who are MATLAB programmers, that is effectively backslash.